All right, let's talk about a car that's been flying under the radar for far too long. The Infiniti M56, a car that's got the heart of a muscle car, the comfort of a luxury sedan, and just enough quirks to keep things interesting. You've probably seen one, but have you really noticed it? Today, we're diving deep into this V8-powered sleeper to find out why it deserves more attention. The Infiniti M56 was part of the Y51 generation, which was designed between 2006 and 2008 by Hideo Komuro, under the supervision of Shiro Nakamura. If you're wondering why it looks the way it does, that's because it took inspiration from the Coke bottle styling of the 1960s and 70s. Think classic American muscle, but refined for the luxury segment. The result? A sleek, aggressive design that still holds up today. This car made its big debut at the 59th annual Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, because where else would a luxury Japanese sedan make its entrance? Infiniti wanted to make a statement, and they did. At Pebble Beach, the M56 wasn't just another car on display. It was a chance for Infiniti to show off the brand's ambitions and capabilities in the luxury car world. By the time the US launch rolled around on March 1st, 2010, people started paying attention. It also made its way to Europe, debuting at the 2010 Geneva Motor Show. Infiniti was going global, and the M56 was part of that push. The M56 wasn't just another addition to Infiniti's lineup, it was a bold move that showed the company's commitment to pushing boundaries and competing with the best in the luxury segment. But enough about the history. Let's talk performance. The Infiniti M56 is powered by a 5.6-liter V8 engine, producing 420 horsepower and 417 foot-pounds of torque. This engine provides impressive acceleration, allowing the M56 to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 5.4 seconds. It's got more than enough muscle to compete with rivals like the BMW 550i and Mercedes-Benz E550, offering both power and smooth performance. The car also comes with a driving mode selector with 4 settings: Standard, Sport, Eco, and Snow, allowing you to adjust the driving experience to your preference, whether you're aiming for speed or a more relaxed ride. Oh, and the active noise control system helped keep things quiet in the cabin, because nothing ruins luxury like drone noise from the exhaust. In a luxury sedan like the M56, Infiniti went to great lengths to make sure the ride experience was peaceful and refined. Not everyone wants to hear the engine roaring all the time, especially when they're on a long road trip or just trying to unwind after a hard day. Handling was another strong suit. Instead of Hitachi's usual shock absorbers, Infiniti went with double piston units from Kayaba Industry Company, giving the M56 a smooth yet sporty ride. The suspension setup struck a nice balance between comfort and handling performance. Whether you were cruising on a straight highway or taking tight corners, the M56 handled it all with poise. And if you needed more traction, Infiniti offered an all-wheel drive version, badged as the M56X. This version gave drivers the ability to navigate a variety of weather conditions with confidence. It wasn't just about raw speed, it was about practicality and making sure the car could handle whatever you threw at it. Now, Infiniti didn't stop at just one version of this car. You had options. The M37 came with a 3.7-liter V6 pushing out 330 horsepower. If you wanted efficiency without sacrificing speed, there was the M35H Hybrid, which paired a 3.5-liter V6 with an electric motor, making a combined 360 horsepower. At the time, it was one of the quickest hybrids out there. The M35H was more than just a hybrid. It was a car that proved you could have both performance and efficiency. It showed Infiniti's dedication to offering a range of options for different buyers. Whether you wanted the raw power of the V8 or the fuel efficiency of a hybrid, the M56 lineup had something for you. When Infiniti decided to rework their naming strategy in 2014, the M56 became the Q70, and if you wanted even more space, the Q70L had you covered with an extended wheelbase, giving rear passengers limousine-like legroom. The Q70L was the perfect option for those who wanted all the luxury and performance of the M56, but with even more space for rear passengers. It wasn't just about performance anymore. It was about comfort and luxury for everyone in the car. If you had the money and the space was a priority, the Q70L was the way to go. Tech and safety were also a big deal for this car. Lane departure prevention, blind spot intervention, Infiniti's safety shield, and a Bose Studio surround sound system. All of it made the M56 feel ahead of its time. It was about giving drivers a refined experience while keeping them safe. Lane departure prevention and blind spot intervention were features that made driving less stressful, especially on long trips or in heavy traffic. These features helped the driver stay aware of their surroundings and avoid potential collisions. The safety shield was another feature that made the M56 feel like a car that cared about its passengers' safety, offering features like forward emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. And let's not forget the Bose Studio surround sound system, which turned every drive into a concert-like experience. When you've got a car that looks and drives like this, you want the sound quality to match, and the M56 delivered in spades. If you're considering one, go for the Sport package. It adds 20-inch wheels, a sport-tuned suspension, 4-wheel active steering, and some other goodies that make an already great car even better. The Sport package transforms the M56 into something even more exciting, giving it a sharper, more aggressive feel on the road. If you want to get the most out of the car's performance, the Sport package is the way to go. The Infiniti M56 may not have had the same prestige as a German luxury sedan, but that was part of its charm. It offered the performance and features of a high-end luxury car without the same level of pretension. It was a sleeper in the best sense of the word, unassuming, yet capable of delivering serious power when needed. If you've ever seen one on the road, you might have thought it was just another luxury sedan, but once you experienced its performance, you'd understand why it was so special. It wasn't trying to make a statement. It was letting its performance and features speak for themselves. Now, let's talk about reliability. Infiniti, as a brand, has a solid reputation for building dependable cars, and the M56 is no exception. The engine is a beast, and as long as you keep up with maintenance, it's known to be quite durable. However, being a luxury car, repairs can get pricey. Things like the advanced suspension components and tech features mean that when something does go wrong, it won't be cheap. But compared to its European rivals, the M56 is still a more reliable and cost-effective choice in the long run. European cars, especially those from BMW and Mercedes, are known for their high maintenance costs, and the M56 offers similar performance and luxury without the same high price tag when it comes to repairs and parts. The interior of the Infiniti M56 is a perfect blend of luxury and comfort, designed with both style and practicality in mind. Premium materials like leather upholstery, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents create an elegant atmosphere, while the spacious cabin offers plenty of room for both front and rear passengers. The seats are supportive and comfortable with available options for heated and ventilated seating, ensuring a pleasant ride in any weather. Infiniti also equipped the M56 with an intuitive infotainment system, including a large touchscreen, a premium sound system, and navigation, all easily accessible from the driver's seat. With its refined details and high-quality finishes, the interior makes every journey feel special. So, who is this car for? If you're someone who wants luxury, power, and reliability without paying the inflated prices of a BMW or Mercedes, the M56 is a solid choice. It's got character, it's got performance, and it's got a level of exclusivity that makes it stand out. In today's market, used M56s can be found for surprisingly reasonable prices. They never quite caught on like some of their German competitors, which means depreciation hit them harder. But that's good news for buyers looking for a great deal. Just be sure to check service records and make sure all the tech features are functioning properly before making a purchase. At the end of the day, the Infiniti M56 is an underrated gem in the luxury sedan world. It offers a mix of power, comfort, and tech that few cars in its class can match. It may not have the badge appeal of a BMW or Mercedes, but it more than makes up for it with performance and reliability. It's a car that deserves more attention, and if you're in the market for a luxury sedan that offers performance without the premium price tag, the M56 should be at the top of your list. It's a true sleeper, offering all the benefits of a high-end luxury sedan while flying under the radar of most car buyers. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more content like this, make sure to subscribe. There's plenty more coming your way, from underrated cars to automotive history and performance breakdowns. Also wanted to give you a huge thank you for helping us hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful for your support and engagement. Whether you've been with us from the start or just joined recently, it means so much. I couldn't have reached this milestone without you, and I'm excited for what's to come. Here's to many more milestones together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.